Today we're checking out this battery-powered Orbital. This was sent to us by a company named Vevor, just for us to try it out and give us an honest review. Let me tell you what I like and dislike about it. One of the first things I noticed about it is it comes with its own pads. That's pretty cool, especially when you're on the go and all you have to do is grab your favorite polish and you'd be good to go. So that was a positive for me. The first thing about this thing obviously is there's no cord to it. So the best thing about that is if you're in a quick spot and you just have to run outside, you don't have to worry about hooking up a couple extension cords. You can just grab this, go outside and see if you can address the problem that way. That's a big thing with a shop like ours. Hooking up an extension cord just isn't the always easiest option. We had an RV here where we had to do the top and I didn't want to hook up a bunch of extension cords and have the extension cords hanging over the side or messing or scratching up the paint. So I was able to jump up on the ladder with this thing in my hand and just buff out the little bit of scratches that I had on the top and I was good to go. We used this on some pretty beat up paint on a black car just to see how it would hold up. And obviously if you're gonna use a plugged in Orbital, it's gonna go a little bit faster than this, but this did get the job done. It does do its purpose. With that being said though, I will say, don't expect to polish a whole car with it. We did run the battery and it runs for about a good 30 minutes. So this is just, I think, for something to run outside and grab something or just trying to fix something. But if you were gonna do a full paint correction, this isn't gonna be your guy. And then the only other thing negative I could say about it is probably just because it's battery powered, the speed doesn't get that fast. So on a normal Orbital, the top speed for this is a 6. On a normal Orbital, it's probably topping out about a 3. But with that being said, I would purchase it. I like it. I like the way it feels. It feels durable. It feels like it could take a beating. I know a lot of my guys in the shop sometimes are using their Orbitals and they'll drop them on the ground or like throw them down to grab something real fast. So I feel like this could take my guys in a garage working every day and gets the job done, so I would purchase it. If you are a mobile detailer, I feel like this would be perfect for you. It comes with 2 batteries. It's totally gonna do exactly what is expected from a mobile detailer as well. So we're always trying to test out new products. So if you like this review, give it a like and we'll see you next time.